Friends, my name is Dhokne Abhishek and today's topic is Introduction to Angular. AngularJS is a JavaScript open source front-end structural framework that is maintained used to develop single-page web application. It is continuously growing and expanding framework which provide better ways to developing web application. It changes the static HTML to dynamic HTML. Its feature like dynamic binding and dependency injection eliminate the need for code that we have to write otherwise. AngularJS is rapidly growing and because of the reason we have different version of AngularJS with the last stable being 1.7.9. It is also important to note that the Angular is different from AngularJS. It is an open source project which can be freely used for change if anyone. It extends HTML attribute with the data is bound with HTML. The history of AngularJS. AngularJS was originally developed in 2008 or 9 by Miko Heavy and Adam Abron is a software for online JSON storage service in order to ease the development for the application of the enterprise that has been valued by the it is maintained by the Google. AngularJS was released with version 1.6 which contain the component based application architecture concept. This release version remove the sandbox which is facility secure deposit having the various that involve which bypassed in the sandbox. Why use AngularJS? It is easy to work with. All you need, work of AngularJS is the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No, not necessary to be an expert in the technologies. Time saving. AngularJS allow to the work with the components and hence we can use them again. We save time and unnecessary code. Ready to use a template. AngularJS is a mainly plain HTML and mainly makes use to the plain HTML template and passes it to the DOM, and then the AngularJS compiler it traverses the templates and they are ready to use. Directives. AngularJS directives allow to use extend HTML with custom element and attributes. This enables to you create reusable, maintain and define custom behaviors for your application. This is all about introduction to AngularJS. Thank you.